Okay, so the Excel calculator is really straightforward, and I'm only going to show you what it looks like when you open it on this video. We'll play with it in class more. If you click on this link, it opens up an Excel spreadsheet. You have to have Excel on your machine to run this puppy. It's a little bit of a large file, so it takes a bit to open. I'm going to have to pull it over from my other screen here. Give me a sec. Here we go. So essentially what this is it's my attempt at making technology free-ish for you. I don't want you to have to buy some kind of technology to use in these math classes. So what I've done over the years is I've created an Excel spreadsheet that actually does all the math you would need to do in intro stat classes and just collected it into a spreadsheet. So that's all I want to say about it right now, is that's what this is. And like I said, we'll talk about it way more in class and have more fun with it then. So just wanted to show you what it's the one link on this web page where, and you open it, it doesn't open into another web page. It opens into a program. So that's it for now, and let's go to the materials page next.